So once again, my lovely subscribers, mbaniriza mu video yaffe eya leero. Welcome back in our video. Here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Of course, I'm teacher Benny, and today we're going to look at what that mean result, a common English word. Words that mean result. What do I mean by words that mean results? Ebigambo ebiyinza okutegeeza result. Remember, result in Luganda we say ekivaamu, or we can say ekyavaamu. Where do we use ekivaamu? Where do we use ekyavaamu? Well, stick around and we're going to learn about how do we use result. Okay, so ekivaamu is used for present tense. So ekivaamu means result in present tense, whereas ekyavaamu, this is past tense of result. So whenever you want to talk about the outcome, the result, you're going to say ekyavaamu in past tense. Ekivaamu, this is present. Remember, we looked at tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. So result can mean ekivaamu, currently present, ekyavaamu in Luganda, that is past. Okay, let's look at some words that can mean result. Ebigambo ebiyinza okutegeeza ekivaamu oba ekyavaamu. Number one, you can say outcome. Can you repeat that? Outcome. Good. So outcome can mean result. Outcome kiyinza okutegeeza result mu Luzungu. So outcome, remember, is not ebigambo biyinza okutegeeza ekivaamu oba ekyavaamu. So we're going to see. So outcome, for example, if you say the outcome was good, which tense is this? Because of was, this is past tense. Good. If it was is, it would be present. But the outcome was good. So the outcome was good. This is past because of was. So, and this in Luganda, tugenda gamba. Remember, tugambye outcome, wetuba twogera ku past, tugenda kukozesa ekyavaamu. So we're going to say ekyavaamu, the outcome, ekyavaamu kyali because of was. Ekyavaamu kyali kirungi. Once again, the outcome was good. We're going to say ekyavaamu kyali kirungi. But if it was, the outcome is good. We're going to say ekivaamu kirungi. Are we together? So the outcome was good. Ekyavaamu kyali kirungi. That is past tense. So outcome can mean result. Another word, you can use consequence. Can you repeat that? Consequence. The E is silent. So consequence. Good. Consequence. So consequence can mean result. So consequence, for example, every action has a consequence. Once again, every action has a consequence. Remember, we said consequence can be used as result. So every action has a consequence. And this in Luganda, ogenda gamba buli kikolwa. So action is kikolwa. Are we together? So action is kikolwa. So buli, every action, buli kikolwa. Every man, buli musajja. So every action has a consequence. Buli kikolwa kirina ekivaamu. Are we together? We use ekivaamu because this is present, has, present simple tense. So every action has a consequence. It is done repetitively. So every action has a consequence is buli kikolwa kirina ekivaamu, kubanga ekivaamu ekozesebwa mu bintu ebikolebwa repetitively in present tense. So every action has a consequence. In Luganda tugenda gamba buli kikolwa kirina ki ekivaamu. Are we together? Good. The last word is end result. A common word. End result. What is the end result? End result, let's have an example. The end result was bad. Because of was, this is past. So the end result was bad. And we said, if we are to use result in past tense, in Luganda, we say ekyavaamu. In present, we are going to use ekivaamu. So the end result was bad. Ekyavaamu kyali kibi. Ekyavaamu kyali kibi. The end result was bad. Ekyavaamu kyali kibi. A point to note, result, you can use outcome, consequence or end result. Don't forget, if you're talking about present, we're going to use ekivamu. Past, we're going to use ekyavamu. Okay, that is it in this video. Hope you've learned something, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up icon, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with friends. Here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Bye bye. Wait about.